Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video, I will be quickly bringing out an extreme big warning for all Bitcoin holders out there. So guys, don't forget to like this video, and of course stick till the end of the video to find out about why I am right now so very careful in the market. So guys, with that have being said, don't forget to smash up the like button and let's dive right away into towards the content. So Bitcoin on the 4 hourly candles, what are we seeing right now? It looks to be that Bitcoin is still forming this higher high on the market, but while we're doing so, it looks to be a little bit of a diminishing higher high. So it looks to be that we're losing our momentum ever so slightly on this rally towards the upside. So Bitcoin is forming a higher high, but if we're going to look at the momentum indicators on the 4 hourly candles right now, Bitcoin is looking extremely bearish because Bitcoin is looking that it is losing its momentum right now on the 4 hourly candle. So Bitcoin is forming this higher high in the market, but while it's forming this higher high on the market, the RSI and the MACD are forming both bearish divergence. So this basically means here price action is increasing, but the buying strength and the buying power is getting lost. And that is, of course, not a thing that you like to see in such a significant uptrend. So I am not saying that we're going to see a massive correction from here on. What I'm saying right here, right now, is that we could be potentially look for a minor retracement back to, let's say, 60K, and then we could be starting to move up once again here. Of course, there are several levels I am right now watching in terms of where I will be accumulating more of my position at. It will be as well on this level around the $58,000 for Bitcoin. I do think it's going to be a healthy retracement if we could see such kind of a structure getting unfolded on the market. So Bitcoin is looking extremely dangerous right now here, and since we have been seeing that Bitcoin is looking a little bit more dangerous, I have been starting to close my Bitcoin long position. So like you already know, I was in a 120k Bitcoin long position, but right now I decided to, of course, close another 50% of this trade. And right now, of course, I am just locking in my profits because I will be adding and I will be opening a new Bitcoin long position, but not on the time of recording right now. I should remain a little bit more careful as well. Quickly going to say it, I'm not going to short this market because this is basically a momentum divergence, and a momentum divergence can take several hours till it's going to play out. So shorting this is absolutely not smart to do, and if you're going to short, you're most likely going to get wrecked. So please, I'm not saying that I'm going to short it. I'm only going to say that I'm anticipating that the market could be, of course, seeing some loss of momentum getting generated here in the coming hours as well. What we can currently see here in terms of our weekend predictions, we have been absolutely right here for once again the 8th or 9th time in a row right now for the weekend prediction. So Bitcoin did close its Sunday candle below the CME gap. So because we closed below it on Sunday, we are going to see a Monday pump, and like you can see, we pumped towards the upside, and it took us an extra 11 hours till we just filled our CME gap. And right now, of course, it is looking good because our CME gap is filled, and we could be, of course, just look at our normal technical analysis. So it is important to look at these things here as well. What we can currently still see is that Bitcoin could be still aiming for maybe this upper sloping support line, and this could be maybe as well result in some kind of a rising wedge pattern. I will be not trading this pattern, but of course, if we're going to, let's say, fail to hold on towards the support line, it could be maybe opting that we're going to see some more loss of momentum getting generated towards the downside. So that is, of course, extremely important to know here. And of course, for you guys out there that are interested in, of course, longing the market just like me here, make sure to right now sign up with BYBIT here in the link in the description to be able to open these long positions on BYBIT. And as well, guys, if you want to be joining my Signal group, because yes, I will be opening new long positions anytime soon here, make sure to just go in the link in the description, of course, and you can be signing up in the form, and it's completely for free to join my Signal group. There are only some terms and conditions you have to be succeed at. So make sure to sign up over there if you want to be joining my Signal group as well. It will be truly amazing if you're going to do so. So what you can see right now for Bitcoin, I definitely will be looking forward towards how this will be playing out as well. Quickly going to say Bitcoin closed its weekly candle for the highest ever in history. So Bitcoin set a new all-time high in terms of weekly candle close as well. You can see we broke through the 0.5 in this Fibonacci. So retracement back towards the lower side of this Fibonacci and retracement back towards the $59,000 is only going to be opting and only going to allow me to, of course, add more to my Bitcoin long position, because as soon as we're retracing back towards the $59,000, I will be adding a massive new amount of liquidity to my trade, and it will be, of course, trying to catch this rate, this next move here towards, let's say, the 66k here for Bitcoin. So guys, if you want to be staying up to date about that one, don't forget to follow me as well on Twitter. Make us on Twitter. I will, of course, as well keep you guys up to date about all these developments as well. Bitcoin, what it is right now doing on the 1 hourly candles is looking pretty interesting. So Bitcoin, of course, first of all, it looks to be that the top side is right now the massive resistance that we are right now aiming for. This top side of resistance, of course, got us rejected already twice, and you can see once again we are getting a massive rejection by the zone here. So it looks to be that this level is going to be the real big level to break through on the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart in order to continue the trend higher. So if Bitcoin is going to close a 1 hourly candle about this above, let's say, the 62.6k, we could be maybe looking for a continuation back towards the 64.8k. And maybe if we're going to, of course, as well use this Fibonacci extension, we could be as well look for maybe the potential target of a new all-time high, and the new all-time high resistance, in my opinion, is going to be the 65.4k as well. So important levels to look at right now here, but it's important to keep your eyes out on the market right now. Keep your eyes wide open, because right now is the time that you could be making, of course, the good money. So guys, this was already it for today's very quick update video. It's a massive warning, guys. Just keep your eyes wide open right now. Just do a look at what the charts are telling you right now and what the funding rates are telling you right now. Funding rates are shooting up, predicted funding rates as well, 0.03, guys. More and more people in long positions that are only making good profits. As if a lot of people are in long positions and only making profits, the chance of a long squeeze is relatively high. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again towards this amazing new video here on the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.